I'm just sharing my screen. Like as we discussed in the child narration table, we want to change this prefix, right? Yes, we'll do that, and we can able to go to the number maintenance and we can create a number field. Okay, auto generate a number field in the child narration table. So that we already did. For Ashok IT table. Okay. Maybe for child narration IT table, like I'm going to configure tables. Configure tables. Like here I'm providing the auto number. Okay. Child nourish IT table, CNI. I'm giving CNI. Okay. You can like after creation of a table also, we can come to the table properties record and we can provide the auto number. Here you can say I'm providing a CNI. I'm just updating it. Yes, you can. Now child record number is starting with CNI. Parent parent table record number starting with PNI. Okay, got it, everybody? So here you have any confusions like updating prefix in the number field. For child table is different prefix and parent table is different prefix. Any queries here? Let me know. Next, for parent narration table, it should be number only. Yeah, I want to keep number only. But for child narration table, for child narration table, number field. I don't want number. I don't want number. So here I want to make as a child ID. I want to make as a child ID. Okay. So I'm just right clicking on the number field. I'm just right clicking on the number field. I'm going to the configure label. So if we click on the configure label, it will open a this number field label record. Okay, from the documentation table. Yes, configure label. I'm just making as a configure label. You can come. So I'm just updating. I'm just reminding you again. So this is a child narration table. In the child narration table, I'm just right clicking the number field configure label. Okay, I'm just modifying as a child ID. I'm just modifying as a child ID. In the label, I'm modifying as a child ID. Child ID, CHILD, child ID. I'm just updating. If you see the table here, parent narration it is showing. That means it will update both the records. You can see. In the child narration table, it is showing child ID. That is fine. In the parent narration table also, it will showing the child ID. This is wrong. Got it? I want to update only child table number field label. Child table number field label. I want to update only child table number field label. I don't want to update this parent table number field label. I don't want to update parent table number field label. Okay. Like whatever the activity I just done, I'm just reversing that. Okay. I'm going to the child ID. I'm going to the configure label. I'm going to the configure label. I just making as a number only. I'm just making as a number again. So update. Now we just reverted our changes. Okay, here it is in parent narration table showing number. Even we will open the child narration table. Okay, 1 minute. I'm opening child narration table as well. You can see in the child narration table also it is showing number. Parent also it is showing number. Now I'm going to modify again as a child ID in the child narration table number. I'm going to configure label. Yes. Here I'm saying child ID. Here I'm saying child ID. Here I will modify the table to child narration ID. Here child narration ID. You can say I just selecting the child narration ID. Child narration ID. Here we don't update this record. We don't update this record. Even you don't save this record. You don't save this record. Okay. You can simply click on the insert and stay. You can simply click on the insert and stay. That means for that number label, we are creating two label records. For parent table, number field label, it is a different. For child table, number field label is a different. Okay. I'm just doing the insert and step. Don't save, don't update the record. Okay. If you save or update the record, you will lose the parent label again. Okay. You will lose the parent label again. Okay. I'm just making insert and stay. I just click on insert and stay. You don't save or you don't update. Okay. Yes. Now we have successfully updated child narration IT table label, number field label. I'm just clicking on that. Okay. You can see for child narration IT table, number field label is showing as child ID. For parent narration IT table, this number field showing as a number. Got it? You can see. But like we have only one number field. But for child table, we are displaying different label. For parent table, we are showing as a different label. Okay, like this. You can see number. Here it is a child ID. This is one use case. Here you have any queries? Let me know. I just went to this configure label. Okay. I just updated I just changed the table to child narration. Earlier it is parent narration, right? I just changed it to child narration and just done the insert or insert and stay. Anything is fine instead of save. Okay. I just did this activity only. Next concept, dictionary override. Okay. And one more thing I want to explain here. Maybe in the parent narration IT table, I'm creating one column. I'm going to the form layout. Not now. Here I'm creating a column called business justification. BUSINES. Business justification. Okay, maybe for this I'm taking string small. Yeah, that is fine. So I'm just keeping this business justification about to the comments, and I'm saying in the parent narration IT table, I'm creating this column business justification. Close. In the in the parent narration IT table, we have created a column called business justification, and we have comment. You can come and check in the child narration IT table whether that business justification is reflecting or not. Yes, definitely it will reflect. I'm going to configure form layout in the child narration IT table. Yes, you can find a column called business justification. So if we create something in the parent narration IT table, it will also come to the child table as well. Got it, everybody? If we are creating some column, if we are doing some configuration there, it will also reflect in the child table. Okay. That's what business justification is also reflecting in the child table. For example, now in the child narration IT table, configure form layout. Now in the child narration IT table, I'm creating a field. In the child narration IT table, I'm creating a field. What I can say, maybe I'm saying address, ADDRES, address. Okay. Maybe I will take string large, string medium, 100 characters is fine. I'm just adding. Okay. This address I want to keep after location. Okay. After location, I'm keeping this address field. I'm just saving it. In the child narration IT table, we are creating a address field. In the child narration IT table, in the child table, we are creating a column called address. We can check parent narration IT table whether that address field is coming or not. Definitely not come. Okay, definitely not come. I'm going to configure form layout. So not now. You can see there is no address field here. There is no address field here. Got it? What happening? If something we are doing in the parent table, it is reflecting to the child table. Something we are doing in the child table, it will never reflect to the parent table. Okay. Everybody got this point? Yes.
S.
Okay. In the child narration table, for example, in the child narration table, I'm creating a 1 minute. I'm going to the favorites, parent narration, child narration. I open both the list views. You can see in the parent narration table, any records are there. Do you find any records here? Definitely not.
No.
In the child narration table, no records available. Now, first of all, I'm going to parent narration table. I will configure a columns by going to the configure list layout. If we configure a list columns by using configure list layout, what happens? Tell me. Yesterday we have discussed, right? It will applicable to every user in the organization. It will applicable to every user in the organization. Maybe I'm keeping number. Where is number? Yeah, number is already there. Number, title, name, gender, email, mobile, location, manager, business justification, comments. Okay. Save. This is parent narration table. And you can come to the child narration table. Yes, here also it is appearing all these things. Yes. Now I'm closing this child narration table. Even I'm closing this child narration list view. Now I will create few columns in the parent, few records in the narration, parent narration table. Here I'm saying Anji. So anji.gade@gmail.com. So I'm creating few records. Okay, few columns I'm filling every time. Okay, one record is created. So now again I'm creating a new record. I'm saying Rama. No. RAMA@gmail.com. Let's say minus Vinod. I'm saying something like Vinod. I'm saying something like I'm just updating. Okay, VIM or Gmail.com. So how many records we have created in parent narration table? Tell me. How many records we have created in parent narration table? Three records. Okay. Yes. In parent narration table, we have created three records. You just remind this count. Okay. I'm closing this parent narration list view and form. Now I'm going to the child narration table. Now I'm going to the child narration table. Here also I'm going to create two records. Okay. So before going to that, again I'm showing the child narration list. No records there. Yes. Here I'm saying something like Ajay. Okay. Ajay@gmail.com. Save. And again, I'm creating one more record in the child narration table. Vijay. One Vijay@gmail.com. Something. Yes. Two records created in the child narration table. You can see how many records it is displaying in the child narration table. Two records it is
Two.
displaying. Okay. And once again, we can navigate to the parent narration table. You can see what happens. What happened to the parent narration table? Tell me. Yes. Like along with the parent table records, it is also displaying the child table records. Got it? If we created any record in the child table, it will also visible in the parent table list view. In interviews, maybe long back, they have asked one question. We have table A, we have table B, we have table C. Okay. In table A, I have created one record. In table B, I have created two records. In table C, I have created three records. Okay. Table B is extended from table A. Table C is extended from table B. That means B table parent is A. C table parent is B. Okay. Now tell me, how many records present in A table? How many records present in B table? How many records present in C table? First, we can come to C table. So first, we'll check in C table. How many records present in C table? If we created three records in C table, sorry, tell three records. Yes, this is correct. How many records present in B table?
5.
How it is? 3 plus 2. Here C is a child table of B. That's what child table records plus parent table records. 2 plus 3, 5. Here it will display 5 records. In how many records will be displayed in parent table? A table, how many records?
6.
Exactly 6. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. You have to answer like this. If you open task table, you are able to see all the records. Okay. You can say like this, it will display the records. For example, I'm going to the task table. Okay. Task dot list. I'm going to the task dot list. We have task type and just group by task type. Okay. Group by task type. You can see. We have records from transfer order limit, we have records from follow on task, we have records from change request, change task, incident task, problem task, requested item, catalog task. You can see in the task table, these all are the child tables. I can say within this task table, we have only 84 records. Remaining all these records are the child table records. Only. Okay. Remaining all these records are the child table records only. Okay. Yes, this is about records in a parent and child tables. Next, I will provide you the dictionary override definition. Maybe I will explain that concept in tomorrow class. Okay. Dictionary, dictionary override. Dictionary override is used to override the child table field properties without affecting the parent table field properties. Dictionary override is used to override the child table field properties. Child table field properties without affecting the parent table field property. So this is the definition. Dictionary override is used to override the child table field properties without affecting the parent table field properties. If we are updating child table field property, okay, so there is no change in the parent table field property that we are calling as a dictionary override. If we are modifying something on the child table field property, we don't want to update anything in the parent table field property that we are calling as a dictionary override. Okay. Dictionary override is used to override the child table field properties without affecting the parent table field properties. Okay. If we are modifying something to the child table fields, there is no update on the parent table field properties that we are calling as a dictionary override. So we have different dictionary override attributes are there. We'll see that. Okay. Dictionary dictionary override. Override attributes. Dictionary override attributes. First, Reference qualifier, dependent, dependent, dependent. Next, default value, default default value. Next, read only, mandatory, TORY mandatory. Sixth, attributes, attributes. Next, calculated value, display value, display value. So these are the different attributes. These are the different attributes in reference call. Okay, these are the different attributes in reference call. Dictionary override. Okay, so you have any queries, let me know. Override, mandatory, read only, reference qualifier, dependent, default value, display value, calculator value, attributes. Okay. Maybe you can keep override, this override keyword, override reference qualifier, override dependent, override default value, override read only, override mandatory, override attributes, override calculated values, override display values. Okay, this is that. So these are the different dictionary override attributes. In interviews also they will ask, okay, what is dictionary override? What are the dictionary override attributes are there? Reference qualifier, dependent, default value, read only, mandatory, attributes, calculated value, display value. Okay. So these are the different dictionary override attributes. Okay, I'm just stopping the class here for today. Daily I'm seeing many options. I don't know why. Yeah, team. So if you are watching videos, okay, like if you are not attending the class regularly, I may remove the Google Drive access. Okay, so you must need to attend the classes without fail. Okay, until unless any emergency or severe health problems. Yes, any queries here? Please let me know. Yes, do you have any queries? Today I'm going to give you some homework kind. Homework kind. Okay, I will show you one image. I'm going to desktop. What is the? You can see Servicenow training documents. We have LMS, Leave Management System. Okay, so maybe you can take this screenshot. Everybody need to create a one table called leave management, and you have to create all these fields. Okay, you have to create all these fields. Maybe I haven't explained you this label, this heading. Okay, as of now I haven't explained you this heading, how to get this heading. Now I will explain you. Okay, maybe I'm going to the Ashok IT table. Ashok IT table. Okay, so generally we will not use that headings. Okay, so I'm going to configure here. I'm going to configure form layout. We have annotation here. Okay, we have annotation. You can bring this annotation to this side. Okay, here I am using HTML. A little bit HTML code I will write here. H3 tag I'm using /H3. Wait. STYL style equal to TXT text align. Text align CNT center. COL what color red. Okay. Within H3 tag, I'm writing Ashok IT. Ashok IT. I'm just keeping Ashok IT. I will also copy this. I'm saving this. Okay. You can see we are getting Ashok IT. Okay. Whatever the color you want to apply, yes, you can. I'm just copying this HTML simple code to here. You can just copy paste this and you can just update this name. Okay. So I hope everybody taken screenshot for this. Maybe I will also send you in the email. Okay. Maybe in tomorrow class, I will ask you about this employee leave management system form. Okay. Like what are the choice values we have to create? Here we have different choice values. Here we have different states. Maybe I will check from previous batch class notes. I will copy paste the requirement. Okay. To here. I'm not on here. Hmm. So this is task one. You can see create a table called leave management system. Create following columns: number, name, email, start date, end date, reason for leave. No, like basically in this requirement, all the columns not covered. Number, yes, auto generated and read only. Auto generated, comma, read only. I'm keeping read only as well. Name. Name is not reference, I think. No. Employee name. This is employee name. EMPLOY, employee name. This is reference, comma, mandatory aspect. Reference, comma, mandatory. Okay. And in between employee ID, EMPLOY, employee ID. It is string. This is string, comma, read only. You have to keep read only. Okay. Next, employee name. After employee name, employee manager. EMPLOY, manager. This is a employee manager is definitely reference field. Reference, comma, read only. Okay. Next, emergency contact number. EMERGENC, emergency contact number. Emergency contact number, string, comma, mandatory. Okay. Next, type of leave. Type of leave. Choice. So mandatory as well. What are the choice values you have to create here? Okay. So casual, sick, EMERGENC, emergency. Okay, you have to create these three choice values. Okay. Casual, sick, emergency. We don't want email. Okay, we don't want email here. Reason, reason. Yeah, team. So maybe like I will write this requirement in Notepad properly and I will send it to you. Okay. So it will take time, right? So I have to like I will create this requirement and I will send you through class notes. Okay, maybe afternoon you will receive this class notes, and you can try for the example. Meanwhile, you can take this picture as reference. Okay. Yes, if you have any queries, please ask me. Yes, Ajis, Temmi, Victoria, Subbu, Sureka, Saujanya, Mahenda. Any queries? Harry. If no questions, we are good to close the session. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and team, and one more thing is, so tomorrow I'm planning to go for hospital for my general health checkups. If I go to the hospital, definitely I will inform you in the WhatsApp or email. Okay. If I'm taking leave, I will inform you in WhatsApp or email. Okay. Mostly
Okay.
as of now, tomorrow we have class. Tomorrow we have class. If any change, I will update you in WhatsApp or email. Okay.
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 Got it, everybody?
Yes.
Yeah. If I'm taking option for tomorrow, I will definitely update you in WhatsApp or email. If we didn't get any update from my end, that means tomorrow we have class. Okay. Okay, guys. Maybe if I'm taking leave for tomorrow, can I take class on Sunday?